BDR's automated healthcare processing Spark 3 Java app delivers for Snowflake its same delivery of most JDBC, a simple, sophisticated user-definable graphical interface for quick, automated queries and reports with group by and column concatenation along with the exportation of these results. BDR's migration app delivers migration of most data to Snowflake at speeds of 1,600,000 rows per second without the need of costly, time-consuming temporary staging databases. Here the user selects to use an existing Snowflake connection and process for the general database option versus the Fire healthcare processing option. The user tests the connection and lists the available Snowflake tables. By clicking on each table, we list to the right all the columns to be selected and processed. Here we are viewing the Snowflake data warehouse data that is being sourced for this automated query, reporting, and exporting delivery. For the initial query, the user selects the columns of interest and may add a condition such as keys or process only for specific values or ranges. Now the user selects to view the query statement in a text box based on their selections. This query may be modified or ran as is. Now the user runs their process. The user can review their selections after the process has been running. Now the user selects to view the results of their first query results. Now the user selected the More Report option icon. This allows the users to acquire results for group by counts as well as concatenate multiple columns into a single column for report and exportation, presentation and use. While running, the user views the process options. Now the user selects to view the second phase of the query process with group by counts and multiple columns concatenated into single columns, again for ease of readability, understanding and exportation. As the user selects to export the query results, we are viewing it in Excel as a CSV file, though this could be imported into most any database or file system. Lastly, we are viewing the query results created by BDR-Migration Query Spark 3 APIs and see the results are encrypted. BDR and AHP encrypts data from the start to the end of processes.